So hello everyone, I'm Janaya Bagon and for today I'll be working on part 8 of the TUPT case study, which is the group policies. So what we'll have to do today, set up a group policy for each department should have its own desktop wallpaper, restrict or disable the following for specific users and admins. So we will be doing that today on our Windows Server 2008. But let's go to our Windows Server 2008 and then go to start. Gonna enter group policy management. So each department should have the wallpapers at domains, tpt.com. Under tpt.com, go to academic department, right click, and then create a GPO. Name it as archives. Okay. Click on archives. Okay. Right click and edit. Here you're gonna go under user configuration, policies, administrative templates, and then desktop. You're gonna find the desktop wallpaper. You're gonna go to desktop wallpaper, click enable, then click apply, then okay. Oh wait, so but first we have to include the file first, so to do that we're gonna go to enable, right, and then the wallpaper name, hidden image, pictures. I currently don't have a picture, so let's create a picture first. Example, let's go to paint. Let's create for an example image that we can use as a wallpaper as name. Save, save as a PNG image and then yung example pictures as wallpaper, the PNG. Save back to this. Gonna enter the wall. Oh no, actually what we have to do is copy the location of the file. So right click, properties, and then copy this location file. Then go back here, paste, and enter the image wallpaper.png. I did that. So we're gonna click the apply. And after that, we have our image now. Okay. Now we have the desktop. We have wallpaper for the archives. Let's do the same for the each, each department. So now I have established the requirement, which is to each department should have its own desktop wallpaper. So now we will be doing the restrict or disable of the following for the group policy management. So that, turn back to group policy management. So to start the part 2 of the group policies, which is to restrict and disable of the following. In your group policy management under forest domain, in the domain tupt.com, you're gonna create GPO specific for users and admin. So first, let's create a GPO for the users policy and also create a GPO for the admin policy. So each GPO, this users policy will be for non-admin members and admin is for the admin. So let's start with users policy. The first one is to enable prohibit access to control panel and PC settings. So let's do that. To do that, you're gonna go to edit your users policy. After that, to find, we're gonna find the prohibit access to control panel, policies, administrative templates, control panel, and then prohibit access to the control panel. Edit. And since this is a user, you're gonna enable, apply, OK. The next is enable network security. So do not store LAN work. So here, computer config, policies, settings, and the security settings, and security options. Go to local policies, security options. We're gonna find is network security, do not store LAN manager, hash value. So, network security, network security, do not store LAN manager. So right click, define this policy, enabled, apply, OK. Next is the prevent access to the command prompt. User configuration, policies, administrative templates, system. Go to the prevent access to the command prompt. Edit, enabled, apply, then OK. Next part is no auto restart with log on users. So this one, go to configuration, policies, then administrative templates, go to Windows component, then Windows update. Then let's find the no auto restart. Here, edit, then enable. Apply, then OK. Next is the removable storage, process deny all access. Go to computer, templates, them, and all storage access. And find the all remove storage for all access. Or apply OK. Next is the prohibit install. Go to this components under computer and under Windows component you're gonna find Windows installer. Look for prohibit user install. Edit, default. Okay. Next part is table accounts, guest account status. Computer configuration again. policies, settings. Windows settings, security, security settings, local policies, security options, and find for the accounts, guest account status. So account guest account status. So it should be disabled. So disabled, apply, okay. For the next one is a minimum password length set at least 12 characters. To do that, we're gonna go to computer policies, their settings, security settings, then account policy and password policy, and minimum password length. Define and set 12 characters. Okay. Next is maximum age 42 days. Same. Maximum password age. Define then 42 days. Apply. Okay. Okay. Next is audit directory service access. So to do that, go to find the audit policy. Advanced audit policy configuration. Audit policies. Have to find is the gonna find is the DS access. So find is the audit directory service access service changes and access. So start with access. Set this as configure file success apply. Also the changes. Check success apply. Okay. Next is account policies, account lockout policy, lockout duration in 30 minutes. Computer configuration, policies, settings, security settings, account policies, and account lockout policy. Account lockout duration, lockout duration should be 30 minutes. So apply. Okay, okay. Next is lockout threshold. So same page, lockout threshold. The invalid login attempts is only 3. Okay. Then reset same page. This is define policy settings and let's apply. Okay. Remove links and after this update. So to find that, what we're gonna do is user's policy. It should be enabled. Find that user configuration, policies, templates, and start menu, taskbar. Then we're gonna find remove network connections from start menu and edit, enable, apply, okay. Next is remove network connection, remove links and access to Windows Update. Remove links and access to Windows Update, enable, apply, okay. Next is gonna do is remove run menu from the start menu. Run menu from start menu. Enable, apply, okay. And remove my pictures icon menu. Pictures icon. apply, okay. Then remove music icon from start menu, apply. Next is remove network places icon, enable, apply. Next is add log off on the start menu. So add log off to the start menu, enabled, apply, okay. Next is remove task manager. So the remove task manager is not here. Find the remove task manager. Go back to administrative templates to find the remove task manager from Control Alt Delete. Then system, go to Control Alt Delete options, and then remove log task manager. People apply, okay. Internet Explorer browser title the admin name. User configuration, policies, user settings, Internet Explorer maintenance, browser user interface, browser title, customize, then is TUPT.com. Click OK. Next is prohibit access to properties again. So, description, policies, administrative templates. Here, go to network connections, and then prohibit access to properties of components. LAN connection, enable, apply, OK. Get access to the command prompt. So for that, you go to administrative templates, system. Your system, you're gonna go system, then prevent access to the command prompt. Enabled now, okay. Next is prevent access to registry editing tools. So same case, okay. Prohibit access to the control panel. Administrative templates again, control panel. Then you're gonna find the prohibit access to the control panel. Enabled. So now that you are done for the user, I'm gonna close this now and configure the admin policy. So we're basically gonna do the same for the task, but since we're an admin now, we're supposed to disable now. So now, hit X, right click admin, parse, okay. Do the same for the user's policy, parse, okay. The admin policy have a rule that the admin policy should only apply on admins. So to do that, to set the admin policy be exclusive, click on the admin policy. We're gonna remove the authenticated users. Oh, yes. Then you're gonna add search administrator and add this too. Okay, also add another one. Okay, there. Now, and now have specified your admin policy for admins only. Okay, so now that is how you establish a group policies, the part 8 of our case study. We have now established the department should have its own desktop wallpaper. It's done. They have their own GPOs. So we have already finished the restricting and disabling of the following for users and admin GPOs. We have now finished the part 8 of the case study. So for the next one, we will be doing the Windows deployment services next time. Thank you for watching and goodbye for now.